on today, Bread Gang? Happy Saturday to you guys. Nice morning, nice cold start for you guys right there. I'm up early. It's 9:15 on a Saturday. Why? Because I left my license and both my debit cards at work yesterday. Fantastic. I am a genius for that one. So I'm meeting our good old buddy Lance that I work with up there to get my license and stuff. So, 'cause I need that stuff. I mean, that's important stuff that I'm gonna need. So that's what we're doing this morning. I think we've got some other stuff that we're doing today. They did put into effect yesterday here in Atlanta that you are not supposed to be on the roads. They will be issuing fines and potentially jail time for being on the roads today if you are not essential, if you are not an essential member of society. You know, they send out letters. I actually have a letter for my job, and I'm on the way to my job right now technically, so I'm essentially allowed on the road, essentially, as an essential. I'm just making a joke of this whole situation at this point. It's getting ridiculous, but I'll see you guys when we get there so we can say hi to Lance. Work. I got home with my wallet last night, but left license and both my debit cards up here, which is fantastic. You just literally left everything possible at work yesterday, but Lance came and opened the doors for me. Famous Lance again. Y'all follow him on Instagram. We're gonna make Lance famous if it kills us. Yep, and I left my chocolate milk at home too, which is I'm full of just cardinal sins today. You can't leave your stuff at work and then you forget your chocolate milk on the way to work, and it's, man, Saturday's starting off good today. So I'll skip everything in my life right now, and I'll see you guys when we get back to the chocolate milk because that's priority right now. We were going through the drive-thru at Little Caesars last night, and I kind of scraped off some of the tire lettering. So the Nitto and the MT is still there, but the trail graph is pretty much completely gone. He can't drive. And on the back of the truck, the MT is gone, but the trail graph's been kind of messed up a little bit too. The good thing about having 375s is you can hit curves all day long and it'll never touch your wheels. I've got enough tire on there that it'll never mess up the wheels. And yes, I can drive the drive-thru at Little Caesars. One, it was dark, and you know, I've got 5% windows all the way around and on the windshield, which is still probably not a good idea. But the curbs and the pizza drive-thru are very, very skinny. And anybody with a lifted truck knows that, especially when it's dark, that's not a good combination. So I don't know if you guys remember on my Instagram the other day, for those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, what the hell are you doing with your life?
Living.
But I talked about how Bass Pro Shop sells hats for $3.99, and I saw a couple of people wearing them, and I really want one right now. So, can we go to Cabela's?
Under a Georgia state law, you want to go to Cabela's?
Yeah, kind of.
And we have an order to stay at home.
I want a Bass Pro Shop hat. Maybe we'll go to Cabela's. What is going on here? This is not the guy that lives there, and he's dropping off a package at her house. What are you doing? You're not the mailman. You are not the mailman. Look, he's going to this house too. Is he going to this one? He's going to this one. He's got a package in his hand. See it? What is going on? That's crazy. When I get back, there's probably gonna be a package on my front door. I got good news and good news. The good news is we're going to Cabela's. And she brought snacks and supplies to go to Cabela's. So we've got Clorox wipes, Lysol, wine for her, water for me, Cheetos and sandwiches. So we are ready to make the trip. And then to update you guys on the guys, what's going on here? He is vibing. And you do you. So the guys that were dropping off packages, just a little update. You guys saw she came out and got the package. The one across the street has not, but we're sitting here stealth mode. So they saw that the truck door was open when I filmed them the first time, but they didn't know I was in the truck. So we're gonna sit here with the truck off and act like we're not here, because obviously they can't see in the truck. And we're doing a little bit of a stakeout today. We're gonna see what they drop off at the house, and I'll pick back up with you guys when they get here.
Oh God, they're coming for us.
He has no idea. There he goes. Whoever you are, if it's good, thank you. We appreciate you. What a nice guy. Back home he goes. Well, we made it to Cabela's. We actually made the drive out here. Haven't been to Cabela's in a long time. But we're here for one thing and one thing only. Let's see if we can find it. So they're only letting 50 people in at a time. And I found what I came for, but they don't have the color that I want, the Bass Pro Shop hats. I really like this teal color, but I think these are ladies, so let's take a little look around. Jackpot. All right, so this is almost exactly what I was looking for, but I kind of want a different design. I want the black. I really like the red, but we're gonna, I don't know. Well, they did not have the color I wanted, but I got a red. These are $3.99. $3.99. These are $3.99. I posted black, about right? them. The logo is black. I wanted Bass Pro Shop, but this is definitely Cabela's. This is not the right size, and it's gonna look huge on me. Obviously, I'm not gonna wear it right now, but I wanted a $3 black Bass Pro Shop hat, and all they have is red, and you can't, risk your life going in there for a hat and not at least buy one. So
we're at Cabela's, not Bass Pro.
No, but Cabela's and Bass Pro, they're owned by the same people.
If you go to Bass Pro, I bet you can find the same hat that says Bass Pro on it.
Well, they had Bass Pro Shop ones in there. They just didn't have a black one.
I bet if you go to Bass Pro.
Well, that's like an hour away,
Pro.
so I'm
No,
not
it's not.
driving
like
there. Just another case how 14 wides can really ruin a truck. Now I had these beautiful, I know I talked about them already, but I had these beautiful white letters put on the truck, and the 14 wides just completely oh, it breaks my heart. Absolutely breaks my heart. The Nitto still looks pretty good. It's got a couple, couple little smears down there. The MT looks good except for one little dot, but the trail graph up top is just completely, oh my goodness, so bad. And then back here looks pretty good except for the MT. The MT's gone, like I showed you guys previously, but just another case how 14 wides can completely ruin your truck and just throw a big old just screw you in the plan of keeping the truck nice. But that's part of what we deal with, having 14 wides. I'll tell you what though, lemon pepper chicken from Publix on a sandwich? What? That's the move right there. We're gonna find out what this box is that somebody left. Oh wow. It says care package. Now it's all soaking wet. Great.
Cute.
Care package, vinyl gloves, playing cards, potato chips from your neighbors. How nice.
So nice.
What are you looking at? Hi. Nothing? No? Wow. So it actually turns out we have some pretty cool neighbors, and they dropped off a care package with latex gloves, chips, playing cards in case we get bored, and a nice little letter. So I was actually thoroughly surprised. For anybody out there watching, I'm sorry that my first reaction was that they were dropping a bomb off across the street, but you never know, it's 2020. But huge shout out to our neighbors, great neighbors apparently. Who knew? But hope you guys are enjoying the content. New giveaway coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the daily vlog. 7 days, this is 8 days in a row. This is a record. We're really doing something serious. I hope I see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys next time. I guess, nah, I'm just kidding. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.